Looks like we got a little bit of corrosion on the contact here. Should be a couple tabs holding these in. Yeah, there's a lot of corrosion on these terminals. I'd almost bet that this is why it kind of intermittently cuts out. Let me take this out while I'm here. Yeah, these definitely need to be replaced. Alright, so now it's time for the new terminals. Alright, just gonna start by putting a little flux on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both of these in. Use these to hold it in place. There we go. There we go, first place, come on, come on. It's gotta stay here, it's gotta stay in this position. Come on, come on! Oh, damn it, that was so close. Alright, cool. So, this one clearly works.